And these solutions might just revolutionize life on Earth too. Let's begin.
Hey there, cosmic explorers. Ever wondered how we'll swap our cozy Earth apartments for Martian igloos? Spoiler, it's not just packing a spacesuit and a Wi-Fi router. Today, we're diving into the wild challenges of building tech habitats on Mars and the genius innovations that could make it possible. First up, Mars is not your friend. Its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, thinner than Earth's, and it's bombarded by cosmic radiation. Imagine sunbathing during a nuclear meltdown. How do we survive?
Radiation shielding is critical. One innovation: use Martian soil regolith as a barrier. NASA experiments suggest three-dimensional printing walls layered with regolith could block 90% of radiation.
Wait, we're building houses out of space dirt?
Precisely. Robots like NASA's Perseverance are testing regolith composition, and MIT's microarchitecture project uses fungal networks to grow self-repairing structures.
Here's the kicker: this mycelium tech could create earthquake-resistant buildings on Earth.
Temperatures swing from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 80 degrees Celsius. Dust storms can last for months, choking solar panels.
Power crisis much? Enter nuclear microreactors like NASA's Kilopower project. They're compact, reliable, and dust-proof.
Pair these with aerogel insulation and material 99% air to trap heat. It's already used in Mars rover experiments.
Grinning. Imagine aerogel-lined jackets for Arctic explorers.
Mars' atmosphere is 0.16% oxygen, but NASA's MOXIE experiment on the Perseverance rover extracts oxygen from carbon dioxide like a mechanical tree.
Future colonies could use MOXIE 2.0 to fill air tanks and rocket fuel. And bonus, this tech could scrub carbon from Earth's atmosphere. Climate change, meet your match.
Transporting materials from Earth is impractical. Solution print habitats using regolith-based concrete. The ESA and Icon company are already testing this in lunar simulations.
Think giant space Lego. Plus, these printers could build disaster relief shelters on Earth in hours. So, is Mars our backup planet? Not yet. But every innovation gets us closer and makes Earth life smarter.
From radiation shields to self-growing homes, the future is being written in red dust.
Stay curious, stay cosmic, hit subscribe. We've got a universe of tech to explore.